Want to use Excel features as part of your analysis and planning processes? With the SAP Analytics Cloud add-in for Microsoft Excel, you can format, analyze, and enrich your planning and analytic data using Excel for Windows, Mac, or the web. The add-in connects to data through SAP Analytics Cloud and supports SAP Analytics Cloud models, SAP DataSphere models, SAP S/4HANA Cloud, and SAP S/4HANA queries, and SAP BW for HANA and SAP BW queries. Your administrator may have enabled the add-in for you, in which case the relevant tab is already available on the ribbon. If the add-in hasn't been enabled, you can add it by selecting Get Add-ins from Excel's Insert menu. In many organizations, the add-in is deployed centrally, in which case you can find it on the Admin Manage tab. If not, check the Store tab to see if you can download the add-in yourself. The free add-in is listed on the Microsoft Appsource store as SAP Analytics Cloud for Excel. If you can't download the add-in, check with your administrator. Keep in mind that you need Microsoft 365 or Office 2021, as well as an SAP Analytics Cloud subscription to use the add-in. Once the add-in is available on either the My Add-ins or Admin Manage tab, you can add it to Excel. After the add-in is configured, you'll see it on the ribbon. From here, you can sign into your system. Make sure to enter the base URL without any extra path. Some organizations or system URLs require a one-time configuration for sign-in and cookie settings. Refer to the links in the description for help resolving configuration issues. Once you've signed in, you're ready to start your analysis and planning in Excel for Windows, Mac, or the web. Keep in mind that there are some differences in functionality depending on which version of Excel you're using. To find out more about how to use the SAP Analytics Cloud add-in for Microsoft Excel, check out the links in the description and try it for yourself today.